We want to learn. We want to expand possibilities for ourselves, for the ones around us, for the world, for the universe, all that beautiful things. But if there was a message that I wanted to send out there, what that will be. And I think that is a powerful question for all of us to ask ourselves. And I dare you to answer that question to yourself. What is the message that you would like to put in that bottle and send it out there for someday somebody to read?
Expanding possibilities, the mindset zone.
I'm your host, Ana Milikian, and before we start, please remember to visit mindset.zone. Yes, instead of .com, it's .zone to access all the episodes and other amazing resources, all at mindset.zone. And if you want to get the free chapter of my book, Mindset Zone, please go to mindset.zone/book. This is another solo episode of the Mindset Zone that is all about expanding possibilities. Today, I want to take you to the moon and beyond. And if you listen to my podcast, you know that I'm quite eclectic in the people that I interview here and the topics. And the common thing is helping us to see things from different perspectives. And I can speak from things that I'm doing. For instance, nowadays, I'm loving a matcha-based energy drink called Magic Mind. That is great to drink less coffee. So I still have my bulletproof coffee in the morning, but then I'm trying to reduce the coffee. So I drink this drink that helps me get into the right mindset and be very focused when I'm doing my work. And you even can try it yourself by going to magicmind.co/mindset zone. You can get there an initial discount if you use the code MindZone20, all in caps. Just try it and tell me how it works for you. And I can speak in other things that, for instance, today, something that happened to me this week that I would like to share with you. A couple of months ago, I was in an amazing meeting called The Secret Knock, where I met incredible people in an incredible community. And one of the people that I met there had an incredible, interesting project. His name is Ben Haldeman. And maybe I will invite him for an interview here in the Mindset Zone, because he has this amazing project called the Liveship. Let me go to their website. It's liveship.com. I want to read from there to their mission. If you go there in the About section of the website, and I will make sure that I make all these links in the show notes, you have there what we believe. At Liveship, we believe that humanity has an important part to play in continuing the cycle of life in the universe and expanding life outwards from our planet. We believe in preserving the genetic blueprint of Earth's incredible biodiversity as it is today for future generations. We believe in fathering the human story in the cosmos so that we leave a legacy and we are never forgotten. We believe that we can achieve this by taking small steps towards seeing life beyond Earth and extending humanity to the stars. We believe in making space accessible to everyone. After all, exploration in our DNA. And one of the things that they do is that you can send your DNA to space. And when I heard Ben speaking about this project, I thought, what a cool idea, what different and original, why not? then I had the opportunity to do that. Very affordable, to send our DNA to the moon. We receive a little kit, and it's like sending our DNA to analysis, and then we send it. And part of the process is having the question, why? Why send our DNA to the moon? And in my case, why send my DNA to the moon? For me was, why not? This is a cool project that I would like to support, and creating this, almost I see it like sending a message in the bottle, in this case to the moon and beyond. And it's not just sending the DNA of fellow humans, it's also plants, animal species. It's like a very comprehensive kind of a project that I like, and made me think about, okay, if this is like sending a message in a bottle, like, I don't know if you remember when you were a kid, sometimes in the ocean or in a big river or lake, you will get a bottle, you write something, you put the message in the bottle, and then you cork it and you throw the bottle to somebody to read. So this is how I see this. We are sending a message in a bottle to the moon and beyond. And what we want that message to be, what I want, what is the message that I want to send? And if you are sending a message there to the universe that outlasts you, what will be that message for you? That made me think, yes, it's a miracle that we are here. We are curious beings. We want to learn. We want to expand possibilities for ourselves, for the ones around us, for the world, for the universe, all that beautiful things. But if there was a message that I wanted to send out there, what that will be? And I think that is a powerful question for all of us to ask ourselves. And I dare you to answer that question to yourself. What is the message that you would like to put in that bottle and send it out there for someday somebody to read? And after considering many possibilities and many different ways of leaving a message, what message the content will be, an intelligence being will read, or other humans in the future or other form of intelligence will able to read the message. I think the message that I want to leave now and in the future for myself and for others is, yes, we are these amazing beings that can do these incredible things in terms of technology, in terms of space exploration, exploring even our own DNA, all those things that we can do to try to understand the universe, to try to understand how the world works. That is very important. And at the same time, as we have this curiosity that we put outwards, we have to bring the curiosity inwards, because I truly believe that inwards in ourselves, there is also this universe with huge potential that we must explore. I'm all about technology development. I'm all about progress. Let's also do that in an internal journey to know ourselves, to expand our possibilities that way, and to really to unlock our human potential. I think this is so important for us to do in order to be more intentional of how we expand things outwards and be able to expand possibilities inwards, to enjoy life, to savor life. So it's not an either or. I think it's, why not both, not and. So that is my invitation. That is what I want to, the message that I want to leave in the bottle. How can you explore in words? I would love to hear from you. What is the message that you want to leave in the bottle to the moon and beyond?
Expanding possibilities. The mindset zone.
Thank you for listening. And remember to visit mindset.zone. Yes, instead of .com, it's .zone. There you can find all the episodes and other amazing resources, all at mindset.zone. And if you want to get a free chapter of my book, Mindset Zone, please go to mindset.zone/book. As always, I'm so grateful you are here. Expand what's possible for you, for the ones around you, for the world.